Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to reset, so to realign the watch hands of your Swatch watch chronograph, the Snoopy version. So this is going to be the Mission to the Moonphase version, which is going to be a little bit different compared to the previous releases. So make sure to watch until the end so that you know how to reset your Swatch watch chronograph. As you can see, we have the seconds hand right here and the minutes hand right there. If I were to start the chronograph, pause it, and then reset it, as you can see, it is misaligned. I want both hands to be aligned at 12 o'clock. So we are going to pull the crown to the first position, just as you would do on your other Swatch watch. And now something very important is that if you press the button pusher, you can reset the seconds hand. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, and you need to make sure that you perfectly align the watch hand at 12 o'clock. If you want to go one by one, you can do so, and also if you press and hold, it is going to go faster. Now, the interesting thing is that if I press the top pusher, it is going to switch the alignment to the other sub-dial. So now if I press, as you can see, I can align the minutes hand. So once again, I can either go one by one, or I can also press and hold in order to speed scroll. Now, once again, I'm going to align it to 12 o'clock. And now, if I press the top pusher once again, I'm going to switch back to aligning the seconds hand of the chronograph. As you can see now, I can align this one. So I'm going to align it once again at 12 o'clock. And if I press it once again, as you can see, it did not make that full circle, so that rotation. And now I can actually adjust this one. So I'm going to align it once again at 12 o'clock. And when you are done, simply push the crown all the way back in and you are set. You have successfully resetted, so realign the watch hands of the chronograph on your Omega Swatch watch Mission to the Moonphase, the Snoopy 1. If I start the chronograph right now and I pause it, when I reset it, as you can see, it is aligned at 12 o'clock. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. I have a full video on how to use all the functions, how to set the time and Moonphase, how to use the chronograph, how to use the tachymeter. Also, I have a separate video on how to replace the watch strap and the watch battery. So if you want to watch all these tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure to read the description box below because you have everything that you need right there. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.